What's up guys, and welcome to our channel, Robin and Stacey's Adventures. Today we went to Bali Bird Park, which was really fantastic. The park was split into different regions around the world and had a good selection of different species. We would highly recommend the skywalk, but mosquito repellent is a must. I've got a wee bird in the background talking to us just now. I've just been eaten alive by a parrot that's just bit me. But it's a lovely place to walk round anyway, well worth a visit.
Hello.
Hello! So we're at Bali Bird Park and Robin's on the Sky Bridge. We then went to a coffee and tea tasting and tried the famous Luwak poop coffee, which is the most expensive coffee in the world.
Also, because in here we have tea, coffee and chocolate.
Oh, nice.
And then special coffee. Do you know about
Luwak
coffee?
Have
you tried before?
Yeah, not had it before, but we know about it.
Yeah,
the poop coffee.
So I'll give you information, what is Luwak coffee, how to make it Luwak coffee, understand it and hygienic, and then we have animal also inside.
Oh, do you? Right, nice.
And sorry, very nice.
Ah, right.
And this one is Arabica coffee.
Arabica.
And the Luwak animal just is Arabica coffee.
Oh, right, okay. Yes, it has, yeah. Thank you, it's lovely, yeah, we are enjoying it.
The cinnamon plant.
A what?
Cinnamon? Cinnamon we get from the bark.
Alright.
Yeah. So you can smell from leaf, yeah? Wait a moment. Normally we get from the box, yeah? You can smell from leaf. Listen.
Oh yeah,
Cinnamon
that's
leaf.
beautiful.
Oh yeah. That's nice, nice.
Yeah, we get from this. We open for the skin and then we dry so we get cinnamon stick.
Oh, lovely.
And do you know turmeric?
Turmeric, yeah.
And this turmeric?
Is it?
Yeah, this turmeric plant.
Oh,
And this turmeric root. And then we make for tea, sometimes for cooking with chicken for curry.
Yeah, that's what we use it for.
Yeah. And then we make for tea, it's good for healthy, yeah?
Yeah, digestion and stuff.
Ginger, the ginger plant and the ginger root. And then here we make for tea and coffee.
Yeah.
Here ginger coffee as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
lovely.
Lemongrass. Lemongrass. And normally for cooking. But here we make for tea, lemongrasses. Can smell?
Oh, nice. That's lovely. Lemongrass.
Good?
That's lovely.
My favorite tea. Because you know lemongrass good for cholesterol, detox liver and cramp in the stomach.
Oh, is it?
This one ginseng. You know ginseng?
No, never.
Ginseng we get from the root. And then we mix with plant.
Vanilla?
Yeah, but not fruit yet. After we got flower from here, and then we made it first male and female from the flower. After that we got vanilla bean.
Oh,
So that's the vanilla fudge comes from there.
yeah.
That's my coffee machine.
Oh, wow.
This animal is nocturnal. They are very active in the night. They're not still sleeping. And here we have just some animal. And there we have in the jungle.
All right.
Because normally they need free lab. Not on the street like that.
Yeah.
And then you know why Luwak coffee expensive? Because this animal they can't produce coffee every day.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, normally they eat some fruit like banana, papaya, jackfruit, fruit.
Right, okay.
And then when they feel uncomfortable. Because we have have roasting like that. We roasting first. Normally for 1 kilo coffee, we roasting around 1 hour.
Oh, is that an hour for a
Yeah.
kilo?
After that, we have ground it or we crush here. Okay. But that's not finished yet, yeah. Last process, we have grounded or we sift it. I'm sorry, we filtered or we sift it, yeah. This is the last process. We filter, we sift it until we got very fine coffee.
Oh yeah.
And then we put back here, and we do it again and again
until it gets fine.
finish. Yeah.
Wow.
Are you drink coffee?
Yeah, I love coffee, yeah.
Collect and then we dry in sun around a week, so become like this.
Right.
After that, before we roasting, we wash with hot water until we got like this color. This after we wash.
Right,
Okay. After that, we have open from the skin. We no process this, we just process the bean.
Right.
So don't worry, this coffee not contact with food. And then you can smell two different coffee, yeah. Normal coffee, Bali coffee,
That's normal Bali.
yeah. And this one is special coffee.
That's nice. That does smell nice. It's
Different-
smooth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Smoother.
Because Bali coffee strong, very high caffeine. But Luwak coffee strong, low caffeine.
Oh, is it?
Why low caffeine? Because after fermentation in the stomach the animal, so make caffeine become low. So when you drink coffee this 3 or 4 times in 1 day, it's okay. But for this one, you have problem maybe. Because this high caffeine is
Yeah, that's interesting.
and the last Bali cocoa until durian. Bali cocoa until durian. So here.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
And then before you try all of this, you try first Luwak coffee.
Luwak.
You compare with Bali coffee.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay.
Bali coffee first and then Luwak coffee. So you got different taste here. Strong. Different, yeah?
It's different. Yeah.
More smooth.
Yeah.
Because they low caffeine.
Different, yeah.
What one do you prefer?
I don't know. I like a strong coffee actually, so.
You like
Coffee?
Banana? You alright?
Okay, that.
Right, we try Bali coffee again.
That better.
I think it might need more sugar.
How can? How many sugar you got in that one?
I think we need more in it. Do you want to try
Go
it?
for it, man. More
Go
sugar.
for it.
Got another couple in.
You want more sugar in that one?
Ah, a wee bit more. Yeah.
Right, hopefully that will be it this time.
You want me to stir it?
Yeah, you can stir it. I'm gonna. I love it.
That was
Coconut.
pretty nice, that one, yeah.
That's amazing.
You don't need sugar in that one, do you?
No, it's beautiful.
I'll let you finish it. Quite nice.
The vanilla's good. That's beautiful as well, actually. They're beautiful. I'm going to try the ginger.
ginger, good for throat and stomach.
Yep.
And this just information for you. Maybe after you wanna buy the product,
Strong.
yeah, this product easy for bring to your country because the product already processed and then with shield inside.
Oh,
as
right.
long as don't open the packet.
Right,
You
okay.
can bring to everywhere.
Right, okay. So we can take it home.
Okay.
That's strong, the ginger. spicy.
Oh,
You took a big mouthful.
You don't like ginger?
It's spicy.
no, that one not.
We try the ginseng.
Ginseng.
Try this one again.
Yeah,
Sugar.
Bali spicy.
That's nice too, actually. My favourite's the coconut though. Next year after
That's
busy
alright.
No energy.
Took a big mouthful there.
You want some more?
No, I
That
think
was nice. Take a wee bit, I wouldn't have tea. Mangoes.
Mangoes tea. That's good for cancer, aging, make you always young.
That's
You
nice.
can drink with ice, like
That's
ice tea.
lovely, yeah.
Good for healthy.
That's really nice.
That went loads of that, huh? Double coconut.
That's quite nice.
Aye.
The ginger's strong.
Oh, it's alright.
I'm going to try the ginger.
Yeah.
Holy moly. That's like...
That is gentle, this one.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
not
strong.
for me.
That's
Not for me.
lemon.
Did we try the Luwak again?
Oh, the lemon's lovely.
I'm not that keen on that one.
No.
It's not that
My
nice.
favourite's been the coconut and the vanilla. The lemon's quite nice.
Oh, that tastes like something Mum used to make when we were in the well.
Alright.
Very similar, with a lot of lemon drink.
Oh, I know what you
Used to
mean.
keep it
Yeah,
hot
my
in the
mum
Rayburn,
used to make something like that, yeah.
That's nice.
Lemongrass. That's the one you like to smell of when we're
Yeah.
walking around. That's nice. It's not as strong as the lemon tea. That's nice.
Lovely.
Right, herbal tea. Here we go. It's quite bright.
That's a bit. Glad
That's
you're going
turmeric.
for
All good?
Yeah, there was
thanks.
some really. The teas were actually really nice.
Which
I liked the
Rosella.
Vela, the cocoa. I like that
one?
one. That one, that one.
Okay,
And
but
these
ginger and this no.
ginger very spicy.
And coconut coffee.
Coconut and
Yeah.
vanilla.
Yeah.
I think they two were my favourites actually. They were really nice.
Yeah.
The ginseng was okay as well, but I liked them.
Yeah, I think those are the nicer ones. The what do you call it? Was quite nice.
The cocoa.
Cocoa, yeah, chocolate.
Yeah, yeah.
This
Do you
one.
sell that as well?
All we sell.
Oh, you sell that?
We
Yeah.
sell from 200 gram until 1 kg.
Oh, right.
If you buy the big one, you get cheaper.
I don't know if we've got that weight in our suitcase going home.
Might get away with one.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
have 200 gram, 500 gram, and 1 kg.
Okay.
Better you buy 500 gram because you can keep until 1 year for all this.
Oh, right, okay.
200 gram, you get 20 cup, just 20 cup, yeah. And then 500 gram, you get 50 cup.
Okay.
Yeah, because when you want make 1 cup like this, 2 teaspoons.
Is it? Yeah. And then, do you sell both of these as well?
All.
Yeah, yeah, you sell them all, yeah. Good. We'll go and have a look at the shop
Yeah,
as
we
well.
can do, yeah.
Have you got your chocolate plants in here as well?
Cacao?
Yeah, yeah.
After
Did you pay
icing.
for your
Yeah.
coffee?
And don't worry.
Yeah, there's the money for the-
Oh yeah, and here you can pay with credit card also.
Oh, good. Yeah, good.
We then had a lovely stroll along the Campuhan Ridge Walk in Ubud and got some nice drone footage.